Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will delve into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of January, 2025, our system has categorized SoFi as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.06. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations and currently reflects a loss of negative 1.35% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.19% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 34.27% over the upcoming 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 23.30% to 51.84%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of around 91.30% over the next year, with possible returns between 22.67% and 115.32%. This corresponds to a price range between 19.72 and 34.62 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline: SoFi stock price fell more than 10.27% Monday, closing at $16.08. The SoFi stock price declined by 10.27% on the last trading day, which was Monday, January 27, 2025, dropping from $17.92 to $16.08. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.65%, reaching a low of $15.55 and a high of $16.74. Notably, the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 13.64% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 52 million shares, despite the falling prices, which could signal a potential risk increase over the next few days. In total, 107 million shares changed hands for approximately $1.72 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 12.70%, or $2.34, below the 52-week high, and 43.10%, or $12.18, below the all-time high recorded on February 1, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies Incorporated is making headlines as Chief Executive Officer Anthony Noto expressed interest in reintroducing cryptocurrency services if regulatory changes allow it. This signals the company's commitment to staying competitive in a rapidly evolving financial landscape. However, despite posting impressive fourth-quarter earnings, SoFi's stock price has taken a significant hit, plunging over 10% due to lower-than-expected guidance. This dip can be attributed to cautious macroeconomic assumptions, which may affect investor sentiment in the short term. While the strong earnings report reflects a robust growth trajectory, concerns about the sustainability of that growth may linger among investors. Noto's comments about broadening SoFi's financial services ecosystem highlight the company's ambition to diversify beyond lending, potentially positioning it for long-term stability and growth. Yet, short-term volatility is expected as the market reacts to both the earnings report and guidance fluctuations. Investors considering SoFi should weigh the current stock dip as a potential buying opportunity against uncertainties related to future earnings projections and the regulatory environment surrounding cryptocurrencies. The implications of these factors could shape SoFi's stock performance in the near term, while its strategic initiatives may play a larger role in defining its long-term viability in the financial technology space. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, analysts have issued a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. The SOFI stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also indicates a buy signal from the long-term average. As the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is around $17.19. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average, approximately at $15.82. A breakthrough of the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged and could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 10.82%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Hence, the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average points to a buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average has a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell from 98 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 103 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. SOFI finds support from accumulated volume at $15.29. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.19 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.65%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.58%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $16.88. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $15.29. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let us review some recent insider trades. On the 21st of January, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 21st of May, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. carried out an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same day, Freiberg Stephen J. also conducted an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Keo Kelly performed an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December, 2024, Richelle Jeremy executed an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 57.404. In total, insiders purchased 10,109,807 shares and sold 35,083,882 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.30, which reflects a decline of 4.84%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? SOFI presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. Currently, it is advisable to view it as a hold candidate, recommending either holding or accumulating shares while we monitor its progression. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we anticipate SOFI will open at approximately 4.33 cents and begin trading at $16.12. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.